Meaning of hopper.
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 Hopper. The word hopper can have various meanings depending on the context. In general, it can refer to a container for storing and dispensing materials such as grain or coal. It can also be used to describe a person who frequently changes jobs or activities. Additionally, in computing, a hopper can refer to a temporary storage area used for data transfer. Overall, hopper is a versatile term that can describe a range of objects or behaviors related to storage, movement, or change.